NCERT.com.
Next question. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. We have to find the mean and the mode for the same set of observations. The following table shows. The following table shows the number of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and the mean. Find the mode and the mean of the given data above. And compare it. This is the question. Age in years. Number of patients. Five 15. 15 25. 25 35. 35 45. 45 55. 55 65. 6 11 21. 23 14 5. This is the given observations. We have to find the mean and the mode for these same observations. So, change it as class interval and frequency. First column, class interval. Next is frequency FI. 5 15. 15 25. 25 35. 'This is the class interval. Then 6 11 21. 6 11 21. 23 14 5. Sum of the frequencies is 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 13, 14 plus 6 20, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Sum of the frequencies is equal to 8, 80, 9 plus 3 12, 13, 14 plus 6 20, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. 8 is the total number of frequency. Now, the highest frequency occurring is 23. The highest frequency occurring here is 23. Therefore, the model class is 35, 45. This is the model class. 35, 45 is the model class. Now we can write model class. Model class is 35, 45. Now, lower limit of the model class. Lower limit of the model class L is equal to 35. Size of the class. Size of the class H is equal to 15 minus 5 or 25 minus 15, which is equal to 10 is the size of the class. And F1. F1 is the frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class is 23. F1 is equal to 23. Then F0. Frequency of the class preceding the model class, which is 21. Then F2. F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, which is 14. Now write the formula and give the values, and then we will get mode of the frequency distribution. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for finding the mode. Giving values, the value of L is equal to 35 plus F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0 means 23 minus 21 divided by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. 35 plus 23 minus 21, which is equal to 2 into 10 divided by 2 into 23, 46 minus 21 minus 14, which is equal to minus 35, which is 35 plus 2 into 10 divided by 11. Now we can find the value of 2 into 10, 20 by 11 separately. 35 plus 20 by 11. Dividing 1 time 11, remainder is 9. 90, 8 times 88 to 1 time 1.81. Once again we can find it as 29, 11, 9, 98. So we can write it as 1.82. Mode is equal to 35 plus 1.82 will give 36.82 is the mode of the frequency distribution. We have obtained mode of the frequency distribution. Now we have to find arithmetic mean also. Mean, for that we have to find the class mark. Do you remember class mark? X. Class mark xi is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Adding the lower limit and upper limit dividing by 2 will give the class mark xi. (15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 20 divided by 2, which will give you 10. 15 plus 5, lower limit plus upper limit. 5 plus 15, which is equal to 20. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Now size of the class is 10 and we can add 10 to the each xi. 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 are xi. Now we can find one value as the assumed mean from the given xi. From the obtained xi, we can find one value as assumed mean. Assumed mean we can take 30 or 40. The middle values are 30 and 40. We can either assume 30 or 40. Let us take 30 as the assumed mean. Assumed mean A is equal to 30. Now next column is difference di. Di is equal to xi minus a. Xi minus a. That means 10 minus 30, which is equal to minus 20. 20 minus 30, which is equal to minus 10. Then 30 minus 30, which is equal to 0. 40 minus 30 plus 10. 50 minus 30 plus 20. 60 minus 30 plus 30. Di is obtained. Next column is ui. We are obtaining ui by dividing di by h. Di by h. Minus 20 divided by 10, because 10 is the size of the class, which is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. Next column is fi into ui. Fi into ui. Fi into ui means 6 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 12. 11 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 11. 21 into 0, which is equal to 0. Now 23 into 1, which is equal to 23. 14 into 2, 28. 5 into 3, 15. Now we want sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui. minus 12 plus minus 11, which is equal to minus 23. Minus 23, then plus 23 and minus 23 is get cancelled, then 23 plus 28 plus 15, which is equal to 43. Sigma Fi Ui is equal to 43. Now sigma Fi is equal to 80. Sigma Fi is equal to 80 and the size of the class H is equal to 10. Now we can write the formula for finding the arithmetic mean and give the values. Arithmetic mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi into Ui by sigma Fi into H. This is the formula for finding the arithmetic mean, giving values. The value of A is equal to 30 plus sigma Fi Ui, which is equal to 43 by 80 into 10. This 0 and 0 get cancelled. This is equal to 30 plus 43 by 8. We can divide 43 by 8. Dividing 43 by 8 is equal to 5. 8 5s are 40. 3. 8 3s are 24. 6. 8 7s are 56 and so on. So it is 5.37. 5.37 is the value of 43 by 8. Now adding x bar is equal to, arithmetic mean x bar is equal to 35.37. Arithmetic mean x bar is equal to 35.37 and mode is equal to 36.82. The arithmetic mean and mode are somewhat equal values. We are getting somewhat equal values for the arithmetic mean x bar and mode 36.82 and arithmetic mean is 35.37. There is a slight difference between the arithmetic mean and mode. So we can say that the arithmetic mean and mode are somewhat equal values we are getting for the same frequency distribution. So we obtained arithmetic mean and mode for the same data. They are somewhat equal in value. Okay.